Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video review, I want to begin by telling you I really feel like the market has, at least, as I approach it right now, two sides of the story to be had. And unfortunately, I don't know that I'm going to be able to tell you that I want to be definitely bullish or definitely bearish, but I do want you to be on the lookout for a directional move that might exceed expectations because we're starting to see a squeeze here in SPY. So it's a little bit of hurry up and wait for that signal to try and fill out. But what I wanted to speak to in this video is noticing the ETF for the S&P up 0.3 today. So, the volatility of the Fed has come and gone. And while today too had a pretty significant range, we end the day up just a little bit. And then if we move over into the Qs, we can see that tech is up 1%. So there really was leadership in tech. And why might that be? Well, I think we have to come back over and look at the TNX, which as long as we can continue to see pressure coming here in yields, well, then tech may be perceived as a more attractive investment. So not only looking at the TNX, but also looking at the ZB. I believe that this is a spot that pullbacks into the 21 EMA. If you could pick those up around 129 or so, running that into 138 could be a very meaningful swing trade. And I want to think that this relationship of the moving averages is going to be helpful in bullish favor here in the 30-year because we've seen volatility come in so well. Right? If we look at this move index, which is one way of gauging the bonds market's volatility, you can see just a really radical move, right? Essentially doubling off of the uncertainty that Silicon Bank really started to trigger a lot of the regional banks in general, right? When that hits here ahead of the Fed announcement, that uncertainty just exploded. But now that you've seen all of it come and go, all that's said is mostly going to, at least about that particular situation, volatility has come in a good deal. And if that way of thinking is going to continue to work, then pullbacks into the 21 EMA for the 30-year, again, I believe are tradable opportunities. So it's a little bit of hurry up and wait, a little bit of letting those signals form, but I wanted to get that way of thinking out to you today because it may be helpful in the weeks ahead. So you guys have a great rest of your evening, and I hope to see you in one of the rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.